guys to see. Well, this is a video of my squishies that I got at Walgreens and some of them that I made. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I got this, I don't really know how to say it, but macaron, something like that, at Walgreens. It's very nice and squishy. You can put it on your purse or your keys or something to squish. It's very fun to play with and stuff. Here, I'll just sit here. It's very fun to play with. Then over here is a globe that I got at Walgreens also. And it's super cute and it shows like actually the world and stuff. Focus. But yeah, it's super cool. And it's super nice and squishy and round and fun to play with. And super slow rising. Super fun. Then this is a little ice cream or cupcake that I got at Walgreens today. They're about maybe $1 or $2 and they're really cheap. They're really fun and really squishy. There's a whole bunch there, but I picked out these 3 because they're super fun and cute and the most squishy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super slow rising and squishy and really fun to play with. And so yeah. And every single one of them you can like put on your purse or your keys or your pants or anything you want. So the next ones are homemade ones. One of them is kind of falling apart. So yeah. But it's super cute. So it's a little kitty that I made. On the back it's kind of messed up, but yeah. Super cute. The next one I made, so I made this with a sponge and I cut it. Okay, the next one I have is a little sad face. It's made with a cotton ball. It's not really squishy, but it is very fun to play with when you're angry or you want to do something. And this is the last one. It's a little milk carton. It got a little squished while I was in the car, but yeah, and it's supposed to be like a Shopkins milk carton, but it got messed up a bit. And I also made this with a sponge. So yeah, I hope you guys liked my video. Go to Walmart if you want to find these here. I mean Walgreens. Or you could go to Walmart. Any store probably has these. Michael's does. So yeah. Hope you like this video. Comment and like down below. And yeah. Bye.